The dark hours go by, and some of the Godinosha are becoming less solitary. Copulation among these primates is all part of the normal rhythm of the night. But this is not a normal night. An earth tremor. These are common here, but this one is bigger than normal. The gas at the bottom of the lake is suddenly shaken free, releasing a deadly cloud of carbon dioxide. Driven by the wind, the gas sweeps through the forest undergrowth, suffocating every animal in its path.